Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I am going to show you a very beautiful spiral beaded necklace design in a very simple process. I will make this necklace using seed beads and 8 crystal. Let's start the video. First I will take 3 pieces seed beads and 1 piece 8 crystal. Now we will give a knot. Now we will take the needle through 3 seed beads. Now I will take 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece 8 crystal. Now lift the bottom one and pass the needle through the top 2 seed beads. Now I will take the seed bead that I took last time through it. Now I will continue the same process again. I will take 1 piece seed beads and 1 piece crystal. Now pass the needle through the 2 seed beads below. Now I will take the seed beads that I took last time through it. Total 140 pieces crystal to make this necklace design. And we have to continue this process total of 139 times. Hope you will like this necklace design. If you like it, please give a like. I will show you how to add a new thread. Done it 39 times. Now I will take pieces seed beads. I will take the needle through the last seed bead. Now take 2 pieces seed beads. I will take 2 pieces seed beads again. We have to continue this process a total of 15 times. Now I will add the lock. I will complete the design on the other side. We will continue the previous process to make the design on this side. We will complete the necklace design by adding another part of the lock. Complete with this amazingly beautiful spiral beaded necklace design. Hope you like this necklace design very much. Please give a like, and if you have any problem while making this necklace design, please comment. I will try to solve your problem. Please support our jewelry channel DiyArtiePie by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching our entire video. Bye bye dear.